Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, welcome back, one and only my channel, Crypto Victoria. So here is I have to say my audience that I hope you are doing very well. Here is another beautiful meme project that is about a very beautiful animal that is cat. If you are a cat lover, you have to must join this. So before starting their further exciting review, I would request if you are new on my channel. Please like and subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing videos notification. As you know that I always come with an amazing and new platform in the world of cryptocurrency. So guys, here is welcome to Landcat, and that is the basically OG cat meme from Taiwan. And here I will tell you about our socials, how you can buy it and everything. So you have to don't miss with Victoria and you have to stay tuned with the last of the video, guys. So before another amazing exciting review, I have to say that I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment. I'm not responsible for your any profit or loss. So guys, here you can see that very beautiful profile of cat, this amazing land cat that is the most pompous and serious feline in web3. So guys, if he is best friends with you, so you can know about that, and you will serving just him like the rest of humanity already here is. So you have to join our community, like this is our Twitter official account where you have to follow, like, comment, retweet, guys, and you have to mostly be, we are basically on Ethereum blockchain, and this is our official contract address, which I have also placed in my video description. And here you can see all of these beautiful memes of OG and Catch, and you have to join right here now. And this is our Telegram community. Here you can see that our total members where you have to join, and here you can add our stickers that is very beautiful in our groups. So you have to join right here now. You can get these all of the meme coins stickers. And guys, when we have origin, this is the basic origin. This is created by the a legendary Mochi Dad, that is Taiwan's creator with a knack for creating cute and relatable characters. And one of his signature traits is always disappears on Mondays. Why? Because, well, that for him to know and for you find that. And this is our official contract to us. Our ticker is, you can see that this is our basically name, and we have LPs burn. We are basically on Dex Screener, Dex Tools. So don't forget to follow our socials, Twitter, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and all of these our accounts. So this is guys, you can see that our Dex Screener graph review. This is the current price, that is 0.008106 USDT. You can easily buy here. You can also see our holders, and these are our liquidity, current price, total market cap. So see you next video. Stay tuned with us.